So nobody wants to say that they have a blown engine, but I effectively have a blown engine in my cheap, super rare Mustang. So there's that. And it sucks because I really just spent $900 on a repair that was pretty much useless to the car because the head gasket's blown. What that means is you're not supposed to reuse gaskets. So all the work and labor that I paid for and the parts to replace the intake manifold gaskets and the valve cover gaskets was kind of pointless because now I have to replace the head gaskets. So I'm going to order a rebuild kit online, and Jonathan, the buddy of mine who's helping me build the BMW, and I are going to go through the Mustang and just rebuild it ourselves from the bottom up. That's the update I didn't want to give, and that was not what I was expecting. I was expecting to now go pick up the car and it be all done and ready to go, but unfortunately that's not the case. And yeah, so it's gonna be probably about a month or so more than I would like it to be, but we're gonna get it done right, guys. So there's that. And I'm not kidding when I say $900. You guys can see I spent $887.50 at this repair shop for essentially no reason. But I'm not mad. This is part of being a car owner, project car owner, and this is part of the game. So we're gonna order the engine kit. I actually already picked it out. It's from jegs.com. And once we order it, we'll really just rebuild it, and it should be in running driving condition here soon. So there is that. It does offset the time frame for the BMW because obviously I have to put my money into the Mustang, but it's going to be done right. It's going to be done right the first time, and I have nothing but confidence that we'll get it done. On a side note, I did end up selling the front seats to the BMW as well as the hood to the BMW. So there's going to be a different hood setup and different front seats as well for the BMW, which is pretty cool because I really wanted a different hood. I was thinking about some carbon fiber options, and we actually took the back seats out of the BMW so we can put bucket seats in the front. So there's going to be different bucket seats now that I don't have the front seats anymore. Now I can put funds and dedicate funds to actual bucket seats. So there's an important update as far as that's concerned. I did pick out some wheels for the Mustang, and with those wheels I did pick out tires as well. So once we get the engine rebuilt and whatnot, we can do the wheel and tire setup and obviously coilovers. So I'm pretty excited for that. The wheels I chose were some SVE 5 spokes, and these are it right here. Alongside those wheels, I chose Achilles ATR S2s, which is pretty much a performance, all-season performance tire. And I'm going with some Rev 9 Hypersport coilovers, which is what I ran on my Genesis coupe. But yeah, that's what's going on with the wheel and tire setup once we get this engine rebuilt. And I haven't decided yet. I'm probably going to rebuild the transmission. Just since we're rebuilding things, you know, might as well rebuild the transmission as well. It's a few extra $100, whatever. Better be safe than sorry. And I mean, while I'm there, might as well just swap out the clutch and the rear main seal, because you can never be too certain, you can never be too careful. But yeah, this Mustang is going to get the works, and I'm probably actually going to end up keeping it after the build is done. I do like to do like quick builds and sell the car for something else, but I think I might become a little bit too attached to this project, and just like I have with the BMW, and end up keeping it rather than selling it. You guys did see how fast I did a truck build and you know, handed the truck off for this failing project of a Mustang. Well, it's not failing. It's a very slow succession in an upward, downward, upward direction. So it's not a failing thing, but we're gonna get there. We really are. And I'm excited to be doing that with you guys, and for you guys to be tagging along with me in my mini ventures as far as it's concerned. But yeah, if you guys are new viewers out there, consider subscribing and smash that like button if you guys enjoyed today's video. Without further ado, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, which should be the video where I transport the Mustang, because I'm gonna literally tow the Mustang from here 70 miles that way to where the BMW's at, and we're gonna start getting it done. I'm already actually ordering the kit, the rebuild kit. So here's that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.